Hello, I'm Stephen Jenkins, and you want to refresh your Greek, which you once knew, and you're going to use Jeremy Duff's Elements of New Testament Greek as your textbook for your refresher, and I'm here to explain to you how the companion book, Reading Biblical Greek, is designed for you as you refresh your Greek. So each chapter here tracks along with each of the 20 chapters in Duff's textbook, and it has each chapter here 3 parts. For you who are refreshing your Greek, you want the middle part of that chapter, which consists of Greek texts made up, adapted, eventually unedited, which in each chapter you can read completely if you're up to date up to that chapter of Duff. So the way for you to avoid reading things in a textbook which you already know, but to make sure that you do review those things in the textbook which you have forgotten, is that you begin with the Greek passage in that chapter of Reading Biblical Greek. Read through it. If you understand everything in there, then you just move on to the next chapter. But what you will find online is a series of detailed questions on everything in that Greek passage. It focuses particularly on what is covered in that chapter of Duff and reviews anything in the most recent chapters of Duff and also reviews anything from earlier chapters which is particularly tricky. So that means that as you just go through reading these Greek texts, whenever you get stuck, you go to that online file, you think about what it is that it's asking you that you were stuck on, and then the answer that you'll find online is telling you, have a look at this line on this paragraph of this page of Duff, and that is what you need to review. You also have a little bit of extra help, the sorts of things I would give you in the classroom. That's the first section of each chapter, and the cross-references in the online file can be to that as well, which would be a bit more help for you if you're confused on a particular point. What else you will find with the textbook online is that all of the vocab is there in various formats with the accents put in. It's there in PDF just as a list. It's there as a software file for a popular software package. All of the grammar tables are online with the accents so that you can see the verb and the noun at a glance, as much as you have learnt up to that chapter in Duff. So the tables grow as you work through the textbook. The third section of each chapter here is called Extra Material, and that introduces what you would cover in a second or a third year course. So if you are learning first year Greek or refreshing first year Greek and you've never learnt second year Greek before, then don't look at that yet. After you go through the whole course, then you can come back and learn that second year material. On the other hand, if you've learned more than just a first year of Greek and you're refreshing, then you can do both at the same time. What that extra material does is that it teaches you that chapter of Duff at a more advanced level, and then online there's a separate set of questions walking you through exactly the same Greek texts but asking you questions at a more advanced level. And again, the answers are online, and the answers largely point you to the page and paragraph of that more advanced material which you need to review in order to grasp what is going on. So I really hope that you enjoy reading biblical Greek.